living in a world of noise. Every voice says follow me, but we need a brand new poise, guided by facts and clarity. Turn off the echo's call, seek out the truth we need to find. Objective minds break the wall, science leads, we leave behind. Feelings won't guide our path, truth and numbers breaking past. No more tribal, think it's time. Let the facts make up your mind. Data painted clear, no illusions left to dodge. In the shadows hide our fear, let's light it with research and logic. Hear the beats of truth unfurl, echoes from the science street. Data pulses rock our world, breaking free from tribal dreams. Feelings won't guide our path, truth and numbers breaking past. No more tribal, think it's time. Let the facts make up your mind. Clear, no illusions left to dodge. In the shadows hide our fear, let's light it with research and logic. Hear the beats of truth unfurl, echoes from the science stream. Data pulses rock our world, breaking free from tribal dreams. Feelings won't guide our path, truth and numbers breaking past. No more tribal, think it's time. Let the facts make up your mind.